Hey guys, Zainab here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming this makeup look. It is simple and perfect for your everyday makeup to enhance your beautiful features. So now I'm going ahead with my foundation. I'm using just one drop for all over my face. Usually people don't necessarily like using foundation for their makeup look, but I like to use just one drop of foundation to help make sure my face is smooth and there are no blemishes. However, you can skip this step if you're not interested in using foundation. To get the perfect makeup look for any type of makeup, actually, you have to make sure you blend the foundation very well. I'm going with my Elegant Pro Concealer in shade Toffee. This is my favorite concealer of all time. All you need to do is just let it dry before you blend it out. The key to getting a perfect blended base is to make sure you blend all your products in well. Make sure the first product merges well with the concealer, and when you apply your powder on it, everything looks good. That way you get the perfect coverage for your makeup. Just as I said for the foundation, make sure you blend out your concealer well, especially when you get to your under eye, to avoid any creases. Even though creases are natural, they're normal. However, we can try our best to make sure we have a flawless under eye. Make sure to blend every corners and not leave any corner left out and say, oh, this doesn't matter. Make or break your makeup look. It will determine if you come out looking ashy or looking cross. So make sure you blend everywhere, and make sure you don't forget the sides of your nose, because that place is usually forgotten. Literally, very, like, I've seen a lot of makeup and people don't blend the side of their nose, so make sure to blend that area. I'm going ahead with a lighter shade of concealer just to brighten my under eye a bit, because I like the bright under eye effect. So make sure you blend it just with the inner corners of your eyes. So I'm going ahead with my cream blush. I love blush, but on casual days I like to keep it a bit minimal to avoid the blush being the center of the attention. So the next thing you need to do is make sure to set all the cream products you've used. Make sure to dab your setting powder on your palm first before applying to your face to avoid flashbacks. Just like blending your cream products, make sure you blend in the powder into the cream product you've used to make sure everything is well set. I am using the leftover powder on the foam beauty sponge to dab all the other places that I used concealer to highlight. I heard a lot of you girlies are not using powder all over your face after setting your face. Girl, please use that powder for your face and set all your makeup, because we don't want to be seeing all those melted makeups in 2024. Okay? I'm using the Revolution bronzer to give my face a little bit of warmth, and also adding it to my nose bridge for a nose contour effect. Honestly, I'm obsessed with blushes, and I'm going ahead with a powder blush to set my cream blush. Going ahead to use my Cindy's brow gel to set my brow. Most people prefer the laminated brow look. However, on some days I like to have a very defined brows. I'm just going in to fill my brows to get the perfect definition and size that I want. I like to be very particular about my brows, because I feel like brows makes the makeup come out, honestly, in my opinion. I beg to differ. You don't have to get a fancy brow pencil. You can use something affordable. I think I got this for 100 naira or 200 naira, I can't remember, but it was really affordable. So if you can afford to get the high-end products, just go for something affordable. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee to highlight my brows. I don't highlight the top of my brows. However, if something you like, definitely do that, but just my preference, I don't like highlighting the top of my brows. I'm currently cleaning up the concealer I use. I intentionally used the Toffee concealer just because it looks nice with the brow. So I'm going along with setting powder just to set the concealer. I'm using the dark brown from that eyeshadow palette just to give my eye a little bit of depth because I don't want it to look flat. You can use your bronzer if you don't have eyeshadow. I'm going ahead to use whatever powder product is left on my sponge to do a reverse contour. Casual makeup is not complete if you don't line your under eye, so please line your under eye with either a black pencil or a brown pencil. I'm using a classic mascara, but if you have lash extensions on, perfect. But if you don't and you want to use the lashes, definitely apply your false lashes. I'm using my beauty sponge to apply my highlighter on my face. I prefer the look than using a brush. Going ahead, I'm using the same brown pencil to line my lips. I overline my lips just a bit to give it a fuller effect. I'm using a nude lip gloss from Classic and also going ahead with a brown lip gloss to highlight the brown pencil. I'm setting my entire makeup look with a setting spray and also going ahead with a finishing spray. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.